Hey Namaste guys, Chopra here, and today I welcome you in a new episode of Tech Speaks. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Apple AirPods 3 and the Apple Pencil 3. Apple AirPods 3 and the Apple Pencil 3 are tipped to be in the works if the recent leaks are to be believed. A image of the so-called Apple AirPods 3 surfaced online and which was revealed by a Chinese tipster. The photo revealed the design of the Apple AirPods 3, which was pretty similar to the Apple AirPods 2 but just had slightly different cutouts for the sensors and noise flow. The tech giant is hosting a Apple Spring event on the April 20th, in which it is largely anticipated that it may reveal two of the products, which is the Apple AirPods 3 or the Apple Pencil 3. Leaks mostly claim that the Apple Pencil 3 will be launched on this spring event alongside the Apple iPad Air 2021 models, which are also expected to be launched. Now talking about the Apple Pencil 3, the Apple Pencil 3 is expected to have a glossy finish, and the new thing in the Apple Pencil 3 is said to be that it will have changeable nibs. Another leak claimed that the Apple AirPods 3 are not ready for mass production yet and might be launched in Q3 of 2021. The ZTE Axon 30 Ultra 5G and the ZTE Axon 30 Pro 5G. The two phones were recently launched in a few other countries and the specifications are out. Now talking about the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra 5G, the phone is expected to have a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2400 pixels. The phone has a punch hole display which will house a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The phone also has a 144Hz refresh rate. Now talking about the rear camera, the phone has a quad rear camera setup with two 64 megapixel sensors and another third 64 megapixel sensor with a ultra wide angle lens and a fourth 8 megapixel sensor with a periscope lens. Phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC paired with 16 GB of RAM, and the phone also has a 4600 mAh battery along with 66 watt Qualcomm Quick Charge 4.0 Plus fast charging support. The phone also has optic image stabilization and has 60x hybrid zoom. Now talking about the versions it will be available in, the phone will be available in a 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant along with a 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. The phone will also be available in 16GB RAM and 1TB storage variant. Now talking about the ZTE Axon 30 Pro 5G, the specifications are pretty similar. I'll only talk about the difference in the specifications. The ZTE Axon Pro 5G will have a 120Hz refresh rate instead of the 144Hz refresh rate in the 30 Ultra 5G. The phone will have two 64 megapixel sensors instead of three 64 megapixel sensors which were in the ZTE Axon 30 Ultra 5G. The phone will have two 64 megapixel sensors, one of which will be a Sony IMX682 sensor and the second one will be a 64 megapixel sensor with ultra wide angle lens. The phone will have a 5 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The phone will have a 4200 mAh battery and it will have 55 watt charging. The Pro 5G will be slightly bigger than the Ultra 5G, and the phone will be available in 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, also in a 12GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, and a 8GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. The Asus Zenfone 8 Mini. Recently, leaks surfaced online which revealed the Asus Zenfone 8 Mini, and it claimed that it will have a 5.91-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone is expected to have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and 16GB of RAM along with a 30 watt fast charging. The phone is expected to run on the Android 11 operating system.